Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari kelompok 3, Gizi kelas B semester 2 UNUSA akan mempresentasikan materi mengenai alat dan ruangan medis di rumah sakit.
Height measuring instrument. Height measuring instrument is a measuring instrument used to measure a person's height so that it can determine body mass index or BMI. Okay, there are types of height measuring tools. For the first picture is a 2-meter height measuring tools. To measure height using these tools, we just need to install the meter in the right position. After that, stand under the meter and lower the measuring instrument until it touches the head. And then the second picture is height measuring instrument include for height and weight. The third is digital height measuring tools, the technology used to measure various and some use infrared and ultrasonic. The last one is picture is sticker height measuring tools. This measuring tools is only used for children.
Body scales are used to measure body weight. An example of these scales are body scale, baby scales, child and adult scales, and digital scales.
Balanced nutrition poster. Balanced nutrition poster is a media that contains the composition of daily food intake based on the type and amount of nutrients adjusted to the daily needs of the body. Balanced nutrition posters have a function as a medium to convey information to the public about overall lifestyle guidelines.
The food pyramid poster. The food pyramid poster is a representation of the optimal number of servings to eat each day of each of the staple food groups. The first pyramid was published in Sweden in 1974. The food pyramid serves to regulate the number of portions of our food for the needs of daily activities, with a variety of foods containing carbohydrates, protein, fat, and fiber.
The gauge is also known as measuring tape, which can be rolled or folded in length, having length 150 cm. It is commonly used to measure body size, material size, and pattern clothing.
Okay, next is nutritional polyclinic. Nutritional polyclinic is a polyclinic in which there are nutritionists and specialists in charge of providing advice and information to patient, management of nutrition and healthy problem also. Involved in the diagnosis and treatment of healthy problems related to nutrition. Function of nutritional polyclinic. The main purpose of nutrition consultation is to ensure that you can take advantage of all the good nutrition to keep your body health.
Polysol. What is polysol? Polysol is administered checkups, treatments, actions, and consultation of any illness associated with the psyche. Psychiatrists can provide pharmacotherapy, psychotherapy, child and youth services. Function of polysol may serve or treat mental illnesses treated by psychiatrists, such as anxiety disorder, phobias, obsessive-compulsive disorder or OCD, post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD, personality disorder, depression, and bipolar disorder, and so on. Besides these conditions, psychiatrists are also charged with providing support for those with chronic or deadly illnesses.
The emergency unit is one of the units in a hospital that provides initial treatment of patients according to their level of emergency. The purpose of the emergency room is to treat critically ill patients and to prevent cardiac arrest in patients presenting with signs of physiological instability.
A pharmacy. A pharmacy is a place to sell and sometimes make or mix drugs. The pharmacy is also a place where pharmacists practice the pharmacy profession as well as become a retailer. And this word comes from the Greek word apotheka, which literally means storage.
inpatient room. The inpatient room is the room where the patient is treated. This room is worth occupied by several people at once. However, some hospitals provide certain categories such as VIP inpatient, VVIP inpatient, and executive. The inpatient room has a function as a place for patients to stay at least one day for the purpose of observation, diagnosis, therapy, medical rehabilitation, and or other medical service.